my new cooking show called Mamma Mia, The Fucking Roast is Alive. We're still working on that name there. Anyways, today we're gonna be cooking some good old pork. Haha, oink oink, motherfuckers. Ha, funny animal noises, as they say. Ah! Oink! Do you see that shit? You just turn it up all the fucking way. I don't know, clean, broil, whatever that setting is. So now that you have officially fucked up your...
like 420. That's a funny joke. And then,
what the fuck? Back in there, you little fucking gay? Yeah. What the fuck? Don't touch my pickles! Get back in there, demon! Demon! So the next part is you wanna, while you're waiting for your oven to preheat, you wanna cut up your cucumber here. You wanna get that off of there. A little fucking tag, a little fucking piece of shit. Go. Here, you little disease! So now that you have successfully chopped up your carrots, now you will add some placenta, lettuce, and then it'll be good to go. So let's get to that. Fuck! So now that you have your baby in a fucking pot, who the hell is interrupting my shot? Fuck.
Where's the child?
What's going on, fella?
Fucking child!
I don't know.
Check the cupboards and the fridges and everything.
You can't prove anything.
Tell me the child didn't pop your head like a cherry.
Look, man, I'm clean. I don't know what you're talking about.
Dear God. What the hell is this?
I don't know, man. I swear, that's flour. I'm a cook.
I knew it. It's Coke.
Ah!
What the fucking God's name is this?
Take him away, boy.
They don't call me boy for no reason.
I don't want to go back to that. I don't want to go back to that place.
you ready to fucking go to jail?
This is just my fucking life.
3, 2, 1, action. This episode of The Dark Skater Jake was brought to you by Johnny's Pickles.
Get your deal on.
Call now to get your free trial bottle.
Alright.